All right, hey guys, so I've got a new wig for y'all and you're gonna get excited about this one because I am. This wig is from SuperNova Hair, so if you're interested in this look, keep on watching. All right guys, so this wig is from SuperNova Hair. This is their new silk base lace front wig. I do have it in 20 inches and it's in body wave. So it does have 3 layers of lace to perfectly hide the knot, so you don't have to worry about any bleaching, and it looks realistic, like, you know, it's growing out of your head. So it does come with your standard 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with an adjustable strap. And here I'm just applying foundation at the top of the wig. I learned my lesson the last time I had a silk base, which you don't need to apply it everywhere, just the top, which I'm about to show you guys a little bit closer so that you'll get a better look at it. So right here is pretty much where you could bleach your knots at, and you can, you know, pluck the hairline and all that good stuff to your liking. So here I'm just gonna do my normal way of applying my wigs, use some freeze spray and then blow dry it down and then apply my wig. So I typically do 2 layers of the freeze spray, and I keep my blow dryer in my lap so that the air is constantly blowing up on my lace to dry it even faster. So I'm gonna actually spray some of this hairspray directly like on the wig, and that's okay, it's not an issue. I actually kind of like doing it this way. I may try it next, just, you know, applying my wig a little bit different, but yeah, all you got to do is just comb up the hair, make sure it doesn't stick, and you are set and good to go. So look how bouncy and full of a body this hair is, you guys. I was so shocked. I was not expecting this. When I pulled it out of the package, I was like, oh, okay, but when I put this on my head right here, you guys got my like real reaction. I was so surprised. Also, this is the first wig I haven't had to pluck in a while. I don't know if you guys caught that, but yeah, no plucking today, no plucking with this wig. I just pulled it right out of the box, you guys, and I was ready to go. So adding a few little baby hairs and sections and using my setting lotion to help me kind of shape and mold those. I was kind of having a little bit of trouble, but I think I ended up getting it in the end. But yeah, you guys, I'm just gonna probably go off on a tangent right now and tell you guys just how shocked I was with this hair. I got so many compliments today while I was out and about, and the body on this, you guys see, I'm gonna put some big curls in it, sort of kind of towards the end. But the body and the movement and just the overall flow of this wig was perfect. Like, and I didn't have to put any, like, a lot of work for it to be like this. That's what I'm mainly getting at. Typically, you know, you got to add in some big curls and all that kind of stuff, but you really didn't have to do much with this wig. So this hair is amazing. This wig is amazing. I do have it in a size large, and it fits so comfortably. Like, I have absolutely, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I don't have any complaints about this wig. None. Amazing job. So anyways, I went off on my tangent. Let's get back to the video. So I did go ahead and use my hot comb to kind of flatten out the top just a bit. If you do not have a hot comb with this wig, you really don't need one. Some setting lotion and just laying it down would have been enough, because this wig did a really great job. It reacts to heat very well as well. You don't really have to do much. So I'm about to take my curling iron, and I do not use this curling iron often, and I really don't like it, you guys, but whatever. It's all I had to get me some big old curls. But anyways, I'm gonna just put, I think I'm doing like 5 big curls in the front, 5 or 6, something like that. Y'all, do y'all see that body? Do y'all see the movement in this wig? It is, oh my gosh, it is everything. And I would say the silk top, like the silk base, has a lot to do with that, but I'm not 100% sure because I've had a silk base wig before and I remember having some movement with it and, you know, feeling pretty good about it. It was new to me and I haven't really worked with them, but I don't remember the hair being like this. So yeah, I don't know. I think it's a combination of a great constructed wig, beautiful hair, great quality hair, and the silk base kind of like all wrapped in one. So SuperNova did an excellent job with this wig. I have nothing but great things to say, you guys. And yeah, I didn't even add anything to my part, which I could have, but honestly, I kind of forgot because I saw like the scalp and I was just like, okay, I'm good, and I had to go run errands. But yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it for this wig. I will put all the information down in the description box so that you'll have it. If you guys have any questions, please put them down below. You know I'll answer you. Until then, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.